In today's video, I'm going to teach you WordPress, how to link a button to a page. We'll do this using the WordPress site editor so your change applies to your template, not just a single post. Start by opening the site editor and loading your home template. If you're already viewing your site in the editor, you can use the template dropdown to switch to home. Give it a second to load the canvas so you can edit directly on the page. Next, click the button you want to link. When the button is selected, you'll see a small toolbar appear right above or near it. In that toolbar, look for the link icon. Click it to open the link field. This is where you'll add the destination for your button. Click into the link field so your cursor is active. Begin typing the title of the page you want to link to. WordPress will show a list of matching pages as you type. Select the correct page from the suggestions if you see it, or paste a full URL if you're linking to something outside your site. Using page titles is great for internal links because WordPress keeps them up to date even if the URL changes later. Once you've chosen the correct destination, press Enter to add the link. If you see a small checkmark or apply button, click it to confirm. You should now notice the link field showing your chosen page or URL, and the button will be considered linked. If the toolbar closes, that's okay. Clicking once more on the button will let you double-check the link in the toolbar. You can also hover over the button to preview the URL. If it's not what you intended, reopen the link field and adjust it the same way. Type, select, and press Enter. With the link set, it's time to save. Go to the top right corner and click Save. WordPress may prompt you to confirm what's being saved, such as the template or parts of it. Click Save again to finalize those changes. This ensures your update is stored across the template and not just in a draft state. After saving, click Launch to make your changes live. Launch ensures that the latest version of your site is published so visitors immediately see the updated button behavior. That's it. You opened the home template in the site editor, selected your button, added a link by typing or pasting, and pressing Enter, confirmed the change, saved it, and launched your site so the new link is live. Follow the same process for any other